Unfortunately, one semi-viral video does not erase a couple years of risky decisions, and so we are probably still gonna have to move. Also, I've been dealing with some stupid health stuff, which if you've been following me for a while, you already know that. But aren't we all in this stupid economy and everybody's suffering, and so I feel like I'm just one of many. It's everybody's going through this right now, so we just all need to lift each other up, and that is exactly what you guys did for me and my daughter. That video did go semi-viral, and I am in the creativity beta fund, and I think it made me $250, which is going to be huge. I think that's enough to rent a moving van for when we need to rent a moving van. And then also some people did buy some of my books, and that'll help us get through until we can actually move, which won't be until the second week of May, because that's when the place that we found to move to is available. We just have to get ourselves through the next couple of months. We do have some ideas on how to do that, and I am so grateful, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you.